In this video, we'll show you how to delete your own account. Please note, if you are an administrator of the site, then please ensure that admin rights have been assigned to the new appointee before proceeding. There is a link to the handover FAQ in the description below. First, you would need to log in to your account. From the main navigation, select My Account. Then click on Preferences. This will display your marketing preferences first. From the drop-down list, click on Data Protection Settings. From here, click on the Exercise Your Right to Erasure button. This will open a modal window that provides you with more information about the process. The process is irreversible, so to confirm deletion, you will need to enter the date you wish all of your personal information to be deleted. Entering a date also allows you to specify any date in the future when your personal data will be purged automatically. For example, if all of your children leave the school community in July 2025, you can enter the date and your data will be removed when that date has passed. And that's it, you now know how to delete your account. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.